Hey everyone, Amazon CEO Andrew Jassy said some pretty remarkable things about Amazon's artificial intelligence developments. So that's what I wanted to elaborate on in this video here, so let's get right into it. It all started with a question from Brent Thill from Jefferies asking about Amazon's AI monetization, saying, can you just talk about when you're going to start to see Amazon generate revenue in AWS from AI? Is that going to happen in 2024? And then Amazon CEO jumps in and says, you know what? We've had a very significant amount of business in AWS that's been driven by machine learning and AI for several years now. Several years now. But for now, you've seen that largely in the form of compute, where the machine learning and AI service companies, or the companies that were developing those models, were using AWS computing power. But you've also seen that, he goes on to say, in the form of the 20 plus machine learning services that we've had out there for a few years, on top of the compute. And so the CEO saying we see a big potential explosion in generative AI, which everybody is excited about, including us. I think we're in the very early stages here. Very early stages. And that's pretty incredible to hear Amazon CEO say that when you've already had over 100 million people using ChatGPT. And then you've had several companies rushing to develop their own large language models. But despite that gold rush, Amazon CEO thinks this is just the beginning, that there's so much more to go. So saying we're a few steps into a marathon here, in my opinion. I think it's going to transform virtually every customer experience that we know. Really? Virtually every customer experience that we know is going to be transformed by artificial intelligence. That's pretty remarkable. He goes on to say, but companies don't want to build their own very large language models because it's expensive. It can cost billions of dollars and take several years. What they would rather do is take other models and customize it using services like Bedrock, which is an Amazon service that they offer within AWS, and that will enable them to do that. Build on models that have already been created, incorporate proprietary data, and have a model ready to go without spending years and billions of dollars. And so Amazon CEO is optimistic, to say the least, about artificial intelligence and Amazon's role in the development of artificial intelligence. So, yeah, I'm not surprised that investors and stock market participants were shocked at what Amazon CEO had to say. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.